So
And
today we are going to speak on a very simple topic, and it's not a topic. There is a different ways to ask questions.
okay,
If there
okay.
is yes. So do you know how many WH words are over there?
Yeah, little bit I know because I properly didn't revise, but yeah, I know about it. You can ask me, then I will reply to you.
Okay. So first of all, just let me know how many do you know?
Means WH family was what, where, how many, how much, who, whom, by whom, with whom, which, where. These type of structure I know about
Okay. So now I'm just going to ask some questions. So
it.
tell
Okay.
me, last time with whom you went to the market?
Last time I went to the market with my friend.
With your husband?
With my friend.
With your friend. Okay. And when did you go?
When the day before yesterday, I went to the market for purchase some grocery items, and in my house I have to paint with
Okay.
someone, so that's why I purchased some paints and brush also. So that's why I went.
Okay. So what all items did you buy from that market?
I purchased um, some grocery items and also some vegetables uh, for the whole Navratri time period, because I kept fast, but my husband didn't keep fast. So for him, I purchased some vegetables, and totally I spent the amount only 500 rupees.
500 rupees.
Yeah, yeah, because I am a saver person.
So it was a nice experience or not?
Yeah, yeah, it was a very nice experience for me. Yeah,
So
because
you are also fond of eating fulki,
yeah, what are you saying? Could you repeat?
puchka.
Puchka?
Yeah, we can say fulki or golgappe, pani puri.
No, because that time Navratri was start. So that's why I can't apply anything. So that's why I didn't.
You didn't have. You can say I didn't have, or you can say I couldn't have.
Yeah, I couldn't have.
Yes. Okay. So last time when you had pani puri and with
Oh.
whom?
I took pani puri with my husband because I love pani puri. When I go to the market, so always, sometime my husband scolds me. Yeah, always you like pani puri and you spend more money for the pani puri. So when he go to another shop, so I went another shop for pani puri, and I take. So
Tell me
uh,
one thing. Tell me one reason why do you like pani puri?
pani puri, I don't know, because I like spicy food, so that's
Yes, you
why.
can say spicy.
Yeah,
I like spicy food. That's why I like
yeah,
it.
that.
So at
Uh,
one time,
I like
I think
also aloo tikki also. It's my favorite. So whenever I get the time, so I want to take it also.
okay. So at what time, how many pani puris do you have?
Only 4 and 5.
4 and 5, not more
Yeah.
than this.
No, no, no. I do not more than 5 puris only, because
Okay.
sometimes it is harmful for our body. So
Yes.
according to me, we should only 5 puris in enough. when
So
we
have
go.
you ever tried to make pani puri at your home on your own?
No, ma'am, I didn't try because I'm very weak to uh, make these type of stuffs. How can I make it? I don't know properly.
I
Hmm.
think it's not that much difficult.
Yeah,
Now on YouTube, everything is available. We should
yeah.
watch and just
So,
try to
but I
make it.
didn't. But yeah, as a future, I will try it to make the pani puri. How to make it? Definitely, I will. Yeah,
Okay. So yeah, you also want to ask question, then you can.
yeah. You know about how to make pani puri?
Yeah, I know, but I hadn't tried.
Oh, yeah. Because sometimes it's a time issue we have, so we couldn't apply these things also. So yeah, and it is a very good thing. You kept fast, you keep fast in a whole 9 days. Yeah, and in a whole day you are doing, you do many type of activities in a whole day. Sometime
Yes.
meanwhile these days you feel lazy, and you time also happen with me these things. I didn't keep Navrata, but yeah, I did Kanya Pujan because I asked my in-laws, can I do the Kanya Pujan as a Nami Pujan? Because, I asked to my in-laws, he said to me, yeah, 5 days later you can wash your hair and you can do it.
Okay. So now I want to ask, do you know the other ways to ask someone how are you?
How have you been?
Yes.
Yeah, how have you been?
And other ways to say I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. As fit as fit.
It's a great idiom.
Yeah,
I'm as right as rain.
yeah.
Or we can say if we are happy, then we can say I'm over the moon.
Over the moon, ecstatic. Yeah, and whenever I get tired, so we can use exhaustive.
Yes. And we can also
Yeah,
say couldn't be better. Couldn't be better.
yeah. So that's why sometimes in these words I do use this type of word because
Yes.
when
And there is a very great, there is a
yeah,
very new one. I'm in the pink.
I'm in the pink. I don't know about it.
Yes. Because I watched one video of AJ speaking. Okay, in that video, he used that phrase, I'm in the pink of my health.
No, ma'am, I didn't listen because it's the Navratra and the busy schedule. So from 2 days I didn't watch your video.
No, not today. Actually, I watched one video of AJ English speaking, and in that video he told about this. So I got to know about this phrase,
Oh,
and then I check out, and then now I'm able to hear this.
so what's the mean of this word?
Means I'm pink means I'm okay, I'm fine, my health is good. I'm
Oh,
perfectly,
oh,
yeah, in the same way.
when you are feel good, so you can say like that. Yeah, I am pink.
I'm in the pink.
I am in the pink. Oh, okay,
Yes.
remind this.
We can also say I'm fantastic, I feel fantastic, I'm doing
Yeah, but
great.
common word. Fantastic is a common word when we say to any other person, I am
You know,
in a
because
pink.
when we say again and again the same thing, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. So it
Sometimes,
feels like, yeah, it makes us so boring.
yeah, so boring that time because I know what question will you ask me and what will I answer, give you answer. So we know. So just that time we feel bored. to each other.
And
So
that's why we should inculcate this variation before asking someone that, how are you doing? What's going
yeah,
on? How have you been? How has
yeah,
your day been so far? There's so many ways to ask.
yeah, really. Yes, definitely next time I will remind I am in a pink. So it is a very good thing because I didn't, there no one asked to me and say to me type of structure also. So,
I think this is a topic which I have learned today, and it's not a topic. Actually, there was a one video of Oxford spoken English, so I'm following that channel. So I watched that video. So they was uh, uh, telling about these things. If you want to greet someone or you want to ask someone how are you doing, so you shouldn't try to use only one way. There are another way. You should try to ask in this way also. How's everything? How's your life going?
yeah,
There's so many ways to say. We shouldn't follow only one rule.
only one rule. So
But
sometimes
we are
we,
Indians, Indians, we tend to follow only one rule. Only the one person is doing, we also want to do only the same thing.
yeah, you
We
are
should
right.
try to make our own way.
We should always learn new things, new vocabulary, and new advanced etc. Because I learned also, but this time now I forget. We take catch up. I think.
Yes, catch up.
I learned lots of the, but
It's also nice.
recent forget. Meet up, catch up, and swammed. But I forget what's the meaning of swammed. I learned it because from 2 days I didn't learn anything now because it's between the Navratri. So it's a hodgepodge in a whole day.
Yes.
Why time is running on? I don't know where time is running on. So that's why I didn't practice a lot. And I didn't speak it with anyone also.